Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna solve another partial differential equation using Python's SymPy library. This time the equation looks a little different, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. We start by importing SymPy and defining our variables x and y. Then we define x of z of xy. As our unknown function, the PDEs we are solving is x of dou z by dou x plus y of dou z by dou y minus z is equal to 0. So first, this equation involves both partial derivatives of z with respect to x and y multiplied by x and y and the subtracting z itself. Now, instead of manually integrating like we did before, here we use SymPy's built-in PDE solver, PDSolve. This function is designed to handle many types of partial differential equations automatically. So we pass a PDE into PDSolve and SymPy works out the general solution for us. The solution it gives is z of xy is equal to f of y by x into x. Let's break that down. The solution says that z of xy can be written as x times an arbitrary function of the ratio y of x. That arbitrary function is written as f of y by x. This means the solution isn't just one specific formula, it's a whole family of solutions. Depending on what function f you choose, that's typical for PDEs. They often have general solution that include arbitrary functions and the exact form depends on boundary conditions or initial values. So, in plain words, the PDE is telling us that the behavior of z of x comma y depends on the ratio of y to x, scaled by x. SymPy captures that neatly in its output, and that's it. With just a few lines of code, we solved a PDE using SymPy's PDE solve function. The key takeaway is that SymPy doesn't just give you one answer, it gives you the general solution, showing how the function depends on arbitrary choices. That's powerful because it means you can adapt the solution to different problems by plugging in the right boundary conditions. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more math with Python tutorials. Thanks for watching.